Hello everyone. This is Lisa from Jiangmen Zaoshan Machinery Co., Ltd. It is my pleasure to introduce to you today the process of barrel spinning. Prepare a cut round sheet of metal according to your needs and place it on the programmed CNC spin machine. Just start the device and run. The features of this CNC spin machine are: 1. The equipment has mature CAD drawing programming software function. The rotating wheel movement trajectory can be straight line, arc, multi-arc, connecting line and combined curve, and input into the computer for the normalization of programming. 2. The operator can input the process parameters and spin pass through the keyboard and operation panel, and can edit, store and call at will. 3. With the core mode contour copy protection function, that is, in the process adjustment and record back teaching, the rotary wheel will not collide with the core mode. For the feed speed and spindle speed, can be suspended in the automatic program of the machine tool, with travel limit protection of hardware and software in the control system. Fault detection and alarm function. 5. Boot to each unit automatic fault detection, automatic diagnosis and overload protection, and other functions. 6. According to the requirements of users, can realize various special shape parts spinning forming to ensure that the workpiece shape, diameter, spinning rate, and other relevant dimensions meet the requirements. 7. Complete trimming, flattening, rolling, shrinking, rolling and other functions in the same machine. The equipment is widely used in fan, lamps, cookware, crafts and other industries. It can complete the batch production of barrel, cone, parabola, horn, warhead, and other series products.